When sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, benzene is produced. COONA, NaO combine with each other to become Na2CO3, and this H is connected to this carbon atom, becomes benzene. This method is known as decarboxylation. When phenol is heated with zinc, benzene is produced. Zinc removes oxygen from phenol and becomes zinc oxide. As it is removed, it is written as minus ZnO over here. Similarly, when 3 molecules of acetylene 3 molecules are passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade, benzene is produced. There are 6 carbon atoms and 3 triple bonds. Each triple bond becomes a double bond, and between these carbon atoms single bonds are produced. You see, this triple bond becomes a double bond, and between this carbon and this carbon a single bond is produced. This triple bond becomes a double bond, and between this carbon and this carbon a single bond is produced. So benzene is produced. This is cyclic polymerization. When benzene diazonium chloride, this is benzene diazonium chloride, is treated with H3PO2 and water, benzene is produced. You see, this oxygen is connected with this H3PO2 and becomes H3PO3. H3PO3. This is O2, this is O3. So this O is connected with this O2 and becomes O3. Minus H3PO3 means H3PO3 is removed, and these two H atoms combine with this benzene diazonium chloride. This Cl becomes HCl. As it is removed, minus sign is there, and minus N2. This N2 is also removed, and this C6H5 group takes one H atom and becomes benzene. Similarly, benzene diazonium chloride is converted to benzene in presence of ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. This H and one H from this carbon are removed. This H and this H help benzene diazonium chloride to become a benzene ring. This Cl is removed as HCl, N2 is also removed, and this becomes a benzene ring. This is C6H5 and one H from ethyl alcohol makes it benzene ring. When benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of UV light, linden is produced. Here all the double bonds are broken into single bonds. This compound has 6 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 6 chlorine atoms. So popularly known as 666 linden. This is also known as gammaxane benzene hexachloride, BHC. This is an addition reaction. When benzene is heated with hydrogen and nickel, cyclohexane is produced. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, 3H2 means 6 hydrogen atoms. 6 hydrogen atoms plus 6 hydrogen atoms becomes C6H12. This is C6H6, this is C6H12, and there is no double bond. This is an addition reaction and the compound is known as cyclohexane. When benzene is treated with ozone gives benzene triozonide, which on further treatment with zinc and water gives 3 molecules of glyoxal, CHO, single bond CHO, glyoxal, ethane diol. When benzene is treated with chlorine in anhydrous LCl3, this is a halogen carrier. Benzene is converted to chlorobenzene. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction. You see, here there is one H atom. Each corner has one carbon and one hydrogen atoms. This H is removed by this chlorine, and one chlorine atom will be connected to this carbon. So chlorobenzene is produced, and minus HCl is written over here as HCl is removed. Here mechanism is not done, but the electrophile for this reaction is Cl plus, chloronium ion. This is the electrophile for this reaction. You see again, each corner has a carbon atom and hydrogen atom. I have shown only one hydrogen atom. This H will take one chlorine, becomes HCl, and one chlorine will be connected to this carbon. You see, one chlorine is over here, another chlorine is over here. So there are two chlorine atoms. One chlorine is converted to HCl and other chlorine is connected to benzene ring. Chlorobenzene is produced. Here detailed mechanism is not done. The electrophile for this reaction is Cl plus, that is chloronium ion. When benzene is treated with HNO3 and H2SO4 nitrating mixture, nitrobenzene is produced. You see, this is H and this is HNO3. We can write HONO2. HNO3 can be written as HONO2. This H and this HO is removed as water, and this NO2 group is connected to this carbon. You see over here, this is nitrobenzene, and for this reaction the electrophile is NO2 plus. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction, like chlorination of benzene. When benzene is treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4, I have written as HOSO3H. This H and this OH removed as water, and SO3H group is connected over here, SO3H. This is benzene sulfonic acid. For your information, electrophile is SO3. There is no charge over here. The electrophile in sulfonation is SO3. When benzene is treated with CH3Cl and anhydrous aluminum chloride, toluene is produced. You see, this H and this Cl are removed as HCl, minus means removed, and this CH3 is connected over here, and toluene is produced. You see, the H atom is substituted by CH3 group. This is toluene, and for your information, this is electrophilic substitution reaction, and the electrophile for this reaction is CH3 plus. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. You see, CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride react with benzene ring, produces acetophenone. This is aceto group, acetophenone. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. The previous one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. This H and this Cl is removed as HCl, minus sign means HCl is removed, and this CH3CO group is connected over here, and acetophenone is produced. Electrophile for this reaction is CH3CO plus. CH3CO plus. When benzene is treated with oxygen in presence of vanadium pentoxide at 500 degrees centigrade. Maleic acid is produced. CH, double bond CH, COOH, COOH. This is maleic acid, which on further heating gives maleic anhydride. CH, double bond CH, CO, CO, O. This water molecule is removed and maleic anhydride is produced. Hope these reactions will help you to revise benzene in a better way. Thank you. When benzene is treated with oxygen in presence of VTO5 at 500 centigrade, maleic acid is produced, which on further heating gives maleic anhydride. This H and this OH are removed as water and this becomes maleic anhydride. Thank you.